Welcome to Homing, an audio movement journey for Strouds Run State Park. This is the first of 3 audio movement guides for different areas of the park. If completed sequentially, the entire audio movement journey through the park takes approximately 60 minutes.
The name of the installation is called Homing, and with that idea, we were thinking about homing in on something, directing attention, and we were interested in directing our attention to the environment or spaces that we might normally be in with a different quality of attention than we normally give it.
Step onto the Blackhawk Trail. Choose a fence post along the beginning of the trail and plant your body next to it.
I would describe it as a audio nature tour with creative movement prompts. There would be invitations to pay attention to your body in a way that you might not be used to, or invitations to make different choices for movement besides walking, which is something that a lot of us are very familiar with on trails and in parks and in natural spaces. So there's going to be invitations to do some different things, but in essence, it's an audio nature tour.
From the edge of the parking lot, where the pavement meets the grass, face the beach and the water beyond. Step onto the grass and let your feet sink into this new ground. Take a moment to scan your senses and orient yourself to this place.
Everyone's doing things at the exact same time. You know, it's like doing a group walking meditation, right? Where everyone is doing their own movement, but you are all in this space together. And it really deepens how it resonates. Being alone with others, right? I find that very meaningful, right? Having community, but also having the space to be with myself and be where I need to be at that moment.